I'm going all the way. A lot of losing. We just said that's the hardest one to learn. It takes practice. Same word kidding. Once I learned how to do that, then the itty back one. Itty back speed cube or routine. I could do it pretty quick. Well, if I don't make that wrong turn. Great. I had it down pat. Try it again. After I learned the Akira underground solve, then I learned the Eddie back mix to go quicker. See? That's on PJ. It makes it look like trick camera, but it's not. Because you're looking at it live, and he goes, huh? Then I did it again. He goes, oh, okay, I see what you mean. You know, PJ Parker now knows what I'm talking about. It's like the Kenkai Palm. They say it looks like trick camera, but it's not. Like that. And mind blown illusion, illusion magic, or mind blown magic illusion. Either way, his YouTube channel, he taught this one. This is where you show it mixed, and you go like that. It's a pretty good one, and you can do it behind your back too. Show it mixed. I hope I did it right. And you can show it behind your back. Then you come around. If I did it right, it should be solved. Yeah, it's solved. Or you can put it behind, solve it in a bag, lunch bag rather. And the Stephen Bundy one is this one, where you can do the wave, or you can show it mixed, and do it behind the back also. Then the Gregory Wilson mix, you can show it mix, and go, ooh, almost broke it. Like that. Or you can go behind the back and do it. Show it mix. And it's all Gray Magic YouTube channel. He does a behind the back solve too. It could be Gregory Wilson version. He could have his own. He could have used the Mind Blown version. He could have used the Henry Harris versions. He could use Gregory Wilson mix. He could use from Rubicon. He could use his own mix. He could use Stephen Bundy's Cube 3 mixes. Which way? But Gregory Wilson is really good at throwing it behind his back now too. That's great. He's getting a lot of comments. You gotta check it out. It's great magic. There's some kids out there on YouTube teaching how to do that. Everybody's amazed when they do like that. My nephew William is like a professor. He goes in detail exactly what happened. And I go, yeah, William, yeah, you're right. You guessed it right. But his wife Janelle was amazed. And Sarah's story, she was like, huh? William is like a professor. He thinks logically, and I go, yeah, you're right, William. Because everybody else I do it to, even at the church, I go like this. And a guy named Matthew who can solve the Rubik's Cube, Brandon Tongue said, hey Matthew, you can solve the Rubik's Cube. Watch how fast Bill can solve it. Well, when I did it real good. I went like this. I had it mixed like this. He says, watch how fast Bill can do it. And I go, and his mouth dropped like, huh? But at Christmas, in the kitchen, when Janelle and William were about to head out, after we done opened presents and ate food and stuff, I went like this. I said, see, William? And his wife Janelle was looking too. And I go, well, this ain't the one I did. Let me do the one. Keep missing that turn. I went like this. I said, see, William? And his wife Janelle Page was watching. I was looking, and then boom, 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 boom. And she was impressed. She was like what? And William thought for a few seconds. My nephew William, he goes, oh, you just had it in a pre-mixed, stacked, and then you reversed the process and put it back in its original state. And as he's going out the door, and to his car, and I go, yeah, William, you guessed it right. You're like the professor on Gilligan's Island. Oh man, can't pull a fast one in front of my nephew William. He gets A's and B's in school. He graduated. So remember, you might not be able to fool a smart person. Not all the time. Maybe sometimes, but not always.